This is a 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, cooled seats, a DVD video player, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, steering wheel mounted controls, an anti-lock braking system, a rear parking aid, and this vehicle has fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.